Hello, today we will guide you through how to prevent Zoom from ending inactive meetings. If you've ever had a Zoom meeting close automatically because there wasn't enough activity, this setting can help prevent that. We'll walk through where to find the option inside Zoom and how to turn it on so your meetings can stay open even during quieter moments. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access your account options and settings without interruption. If Zoom opens to the home screen, you're in the right place. Next, look to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps account-related options, preferences, and access to your personal settings. If you don't immediately see it, give the window a moment and check the upper right area carefully. Once that menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings area, where Zoom organizes its controls into different categories. Settings is the place where you can adjust how meetings behave, including options related to inactivity and automatic ending. From there, click on Meeting and Webinars. This section includes a wide range of meeting behavior controls, so it's the right place to manage how Zoom handles sessions while they're running. Depending on your version of Zoom, the layout may look slightly different, but the section name should be similar. After opening Meeting and Webinars, scroll down toward the bottom of the page and click on Advance. This expands the additional settings that are not always visible right away. If you don't see the option immediately, continue scrolling slowly until you reach the lower part of the settings page. Finally, find the toggle for the setting that says Not to automatically end inactive meetings, and click the toggle button to turn it on. Once enabled, Zoom will be less likely to close a meeting simply because there hasn't been any recent interaction. This can be especially useful for long sessions, waiting rooms, training environments, or meetings where participants may stay connected quietly for a period of time. After switching it on, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm that the toggle remains enabled. In many cases, Zoom saves the change automatically, so there may not be a separate save button. That's all it takes to prevent Zoom from ending inactive meetings automatically. Thanks for following along, and you're all set.